So the question is, how long should a vinyl pool liner last? I get this question all the time. I actually did a video on this back in 2018. I'm going to update with that video with this video because in the past 4 years we've just gotten so much more information about this. Um, Basically, if your pool is equipped with a salt chlorine generator or just an old chlorine system where you put chlorine tabs in the skimmer or chlorine tabs in your chlorinator. Um, if you have one of those systems, your liner's going to last somewhere between 8 and 12 years. Generally speaking, 9 to 10 years is when most pool liners fail. And they fail because over the years the chlorine bleaches out the pool liner, making it less elastic and more prone to tearing and ripping and shredding and all that stuff. So, if you have a salt or chlorine pool, it's gonna destroy the liner relatively fast. If you have a zero chlor pool, which is the no salt, no chlorine, no ozone system, your pool liner will experience almost zero color fade over the years, and you should get somewhere between 20 and 30 years out of your pool liner if it's equipped with a zero chlor pool system. Of course, that's assuming you don't poke a hole in it with a knife or a broken glass or anything like that. Um, but anyway, that's a short and quick answer to how long a pool liner lasts. Hope it helps.